Okay, good morning to all my dear students and audience. Today, this is the part 6 of present indefinite tense. I want to clear it. I have told you all the rules and regulation of present indefinite tense, and I think there should be no any doubt in your mind about the present indefinite tense. Again, I want to clear it, and you should pay your attention towards this present indefinite tense. In the beginning, I told you there are two kinds of there are two parts of a present indefinite tense. First is functional present indefinite. Second is descriptive present indefinite tense. Because the students always remain in the doubt about the is, am, are and do, does. For example, I tell you, I am writing a sentence, but that sentence, when I will write this sentence will be written by me as a student. He does not know about the rules and regulation of present indefinite tense. And then after writing this sentence, I will make it correct. I will write in Hindi how he is writing. That's why he is not understanding the English. See, मैं खाना खाता हूं. This is the Hindi sentence. In this sentence, you will understand easily कि what the student is making the mistake. How he will write? The teacher has taught him in the class that this is the subject. I means me means I. You write the I. This is object. Khana means food. This is khata. This is the main verb. This is eat. Object main verb. And it is also with khata hu. Teacher has not taught you. Teacher has taught you correctly. But how you will understand it? You will understand it कि this is the subject and this is a main verb. Teacher has explained you subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. It is also not your mistake. But you will write like this. Subject is I. मैं का I हो गया. Just I explain in Hindi. खाता हूं. मैं के साथ एम आ गया. खाने का ईट लिख दिया और ऑब्जेक्ट लिख दिया आपने फूड. तो आप अपने हिसाब से तो सही लिख रहे हो. यू आर राइटिंग वेरी करेक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लर्निंग कैपेसिटी. दिस इज ए सब्जेक्ट आई. दिस इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. This is main verb. This is object. According to you, this sentence is correct. But according to the grammatical rules of English, it is absolutely wrong. Because here you have used the descriptive sentence, and here you have used a functional present indefinite. Both you have used. You can't differentiate between the functional and descriptive. When you write the is, am, are, then there will be no main verb after the is, am, are in present indefinite tense. when you write this sentence, if you want that I should want to write according to the present, functional present indefinite tense, then you will, how you will write खाता हूं, it is the complete main verb, it is eat. Who has been included with खाता. Don't write is am are as a helping verb in present indefinite tense. It is the descriptive. Like Gopal is a teacher. There is no any main verb. Hence it is called the descriptive sentence. Now what you will write? You will write only main verb in affirmative sentence. खाता हूँ, I subject, eat main verb, and खाना food. This is the complete and right sentence. If you want to make it a negative sentence, then you will write here helping verb do does will be used. Then do not eat food. Don't write am, but helping verb will be used and it is the negative sentence. If you want to write it as a interrogative, then you write here do I eat food. This is your interrogative sign. This is, you are making this mistake. You must not make this mistake. Present indefinite tense is a verb will only be used when there is no main verb after is am are. Like this, गोपाल एक अध्यापक है. हिंदी में लिख के बताता हूं आपको. गोपाल एक अध्यापक है. दिस इज सब्जेक्ट. एक अध्यापक ऑब्जेक्ट. हियर इज नो मैन वर्ब. व्हाट इज द मैन वर्ब? खाना पीना सोना उठना जागना, these are the main verb. मुख्य क्रिया होती है. eat play sleep, these are the main verb. Here is no main verb. It is the subject, it is the object, and it is the linking verb. Here we are making the mistake. Tateti, if comes here, then you can use the main verb. But here is no tateti. Here is only hai. Hai means if it the subject is singular noun, then write is. Subject is I, then you write am. Subject is plural noun, plural, then you write are. Hence, Gopal is a teacher. Subject, linking verb, and object. I think you will not make such type of mistake in your future life. Next, we will write. This is the present indefinite tense, functional present indefinite tense. It is descriptive. You understand? You teach him English today. Today is here, main verb first form. He does not cook rice usually. Then it is negative sentence and usually has come. There is the first form and does not has been used. Do I always? Always is here. That the first form of the main verb and it is interrogative sentence. Do. And do we not write a letter generally? Generally sub comes in present indefinite tense and it is the adverb and here is the do. It means it is an interrogative sentence at the end of sentence. It is the first form of the main verb. Who likes the Taj Mahal? Here is a interrogative sign. After who, only the main verb will come. Who likes the Taj Mahal? How do? Only the WH word, who is only the word. After that, only main verb comes. But remaining WH word, after the WH word, do does will come, and after do does there will be the subject, then main verb will come. Like this. How do you sleep? So here is a do, and here is main verb, it is subject. So do has come here, but here do will not come. Who after who, there will be no any helping verb. Now this is the present functional present indefinite, and this is descriptive present indefinite tense. He is, Gopal is a teacher, Krishna is a doctor. Here the linking verb. My home is very beautiful. Are you soldier? क्या तुम एक सिपाही हो? Interrogative sentence of descriptive sentence present indefinite tense. How are you? How are you, my brother? Comma. मेरे भाई तुम कैसे हो? कैसे हो? तो इस how are you? It means it is the descriptive and interrogative sentence. Who is not your friend? आपका दोस्त कौन नहीं है? तो who is इसके बाद में if the who is coming in a descriptive sentence, then the helping verb will come. But in functional sentence, after the who, helping verb will not come. Who is not your friend? And coronavirus is very dangerous. Coronavirus is very dangerous. It is the linking verb. It is the subject and it is the objective, or you can say adjective. And Shri Narendra Modi is a Prime Minister of India. It is the subject and it is the linking verb, descriptive, present indefinite tense. It is object. I think that when you start writing, then you must keep in your mind. I have told you each and everything about the present indefinite tense. If you have any doubt, you take my YouTube channel, that is for the English Guru, and start looking my video. Your all doubt will be clear. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will see about the present continuous tense. Thank you.